What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we've got a lot of things to do today. One is going to be a bikini haul. Sheen have sent me, no, I'm joking, I'm not one of those channels. If I was, I would have a lot more views and a lot more subscribers. Speaking of which, don't forget to like and subscribe because only 10% of you are actually subscribed. So if you could subscribe, that would really help your boy out. I'm sorry if there's an echo, but we haven't bought the dining table yet because of the holiday. So I'm putting that up. Now, we actually do have a bunch of things to do today. One of which is going to be going to the gym. I'm gonna take you guys along, nothing crazy, it's just gonna be shoulders and arms. Yeah, like I'm not gonna be doing a how to or anything, it's just gonna be, we'll go do a little bit of fun. Then I actually have to wire up my TPMS sensor for the Supra. If you guys have been watching all the videos, you'll notice that a while ago, obviously I bought one for that. I have one for every one of my cars because I like to keep an eye on the air pressure. I don't wanna damage the wheels. And yes, I am meant to be putting 3 of those scoops in. Yeah, I went to wire it up and I didn't have the right connections and things like that, so I ordered all them in, and to be honest, it all got put off to the side from moving house and that kind of stuff. So we're gonna be doing that today. We're gonna be going to the gym, and I have to do something else, but I can't show you guys because it's a secret project that I'm working on for the channel. Nothing crazy, but yeah, little secret project, something that I am in love with, and I hope you guys like, but we will see. 8 of those bad boys. We'll see if you guys love it too. So without further ado, let's jump on into the video, go do a workout, get back and get some work done on this Supra. I'm sick of all your sad songs. Just tell me what you really wanna say, even if it's wrong. We feed ourselves with chemicals just to find a garden. I risk my life, my weight in gold. Only touch the surface. All my friends are stoned. They live too long. My care for We're gonna go over to the recording studio that the big bodybuilders are. Oh, a massive bodybuilders over here.
Everyone's vlogging today.
It's like you and the guy she tells you not to worry about. Oh, I can go up here. I don't have to hold that anymore.
Is this why you wore the funny today?
No,
because you know I was training legs and you're like, you're gonna have a sick pump.
I didn't know you were doing legs. I swear. Nah,
Did he chair and everything?
I just wanted to feel good about myself. First day in a week, you know? Get in, do a little pump. Oh,
you look good, man.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Looking real fun.
I literally waited to the end of the workout to come over.
Come over when I start training.
Your flat arm days are still twice my pumped arm days.
I messed up. You need to wear like a big tee or a hoodie on leg day.
Yeah.
I'm wearing a jersey, so I'm just deflating that.
Yeah, but it's because you're still a monster. There you go, everyone can see what a real bodybuilder looks like when they train. Alright, so that's all done for the gym. Just a little quick one. Saw Big Nathan in there, getting ready for his comp. I don't know how many weeks out he is now. I think he's about 14. And he's killing it. He's a beast. So I'm really excited to watch him compete in, I think it's October. Alright, so now we're going to shoot down to the merch place, go and pick up some merch, obviously. And then we'll go back and work on the Supra. So let's hit it. Alright, so today's job on the Supra is installing this. Now, this is obviously a TPMS. I spoke about it earlier. Tire pressure management system. Now they do have a little cord here that you can plug into your USB, converted cigarette lighter, things like that. Now, I want mine permanently wired in. To do that, you need to have one of these, which is a converter from like 12 volts down to, I think it's what, 5. So you wire this in. I'm going to wire it into the back of the cigarette lighter, and then I'm going to have 2 USB plugs. From that, I have this cable here, which is a duplicate of the other one. Same, USB to USB-C, I think that is. I'm going to run that down here, underneath, and then to the back of the cigarette lighter. Wire that in, and then it'll just stick out up the top here, and I can plug it in. So this is my old broken one, and I have the new one here. It's old and broken because I wired it up to 12 volts. Things don't always go right on YouTube, and I am not right with everything. So, really basic, got to pull this off, got to pull the dash out, solder this in, like wire and solder it in, which I have my solder down there, got some silver solder there, got some tape in my footwell, pretty much it. So yeah, let's time lapse this in and get it done. Did you ever give up when you lost control? It's as easy as that. That's everything back in. Sorry about the noise. That's the compressor going, and it's set up there. So I am actually going to go through, that's set up as bar at the moment. I'm going to set that to PSI, and I also have to put all the pressure sensors on the wheels, but that's like a 2-second job. So let me just go through, do that, and then I'll show you it when it's completely set up. And there you have it. Now that's set to PSI and degrees Celsius, which is what I want. And they're all sitting around the, I guess, mid 35s is what they're saying. I'd say they're probably actually a little bit higher than that, because I normally run about 40 PSI on my wheels. But as long as they're like, you know, accurately inaccurate, you know what I mean? So if they're all 5 out, they're all 5 out, and I can go by that. So what I'll do next, eventually, not today, is I'm going to take this to get the tire pressures put in. I'll go and pump the tires up, and I'll put in 40 PSI exactly to all of them, and then I'll see what the difference is. So then I know if, you know, it's, say they all say 35 exactly, I know they're all at 5 PSI off. So, you know, if they ever go down to 25, I know they're at 30. So yeah, that's it. Really, really easy. You got to see the dash come out and go back in. I'm really sorry about that beeping, but yeah, that's a Supra thing. But yeah, super, super easy. All of them are working. On the crown, I have 3 of them not working anymore. I think batteries have died. So I'm actually gonna go and pull one of them apart and see if I can change the batteries. If I can't, I'll go and spend the 50 bucks, buy another whole new setup, and just plug it all in. But that's it for the video today, guys. Bit of a workout, bit of going around, picking up some stuff with me, and then this final little job I have been putting off for ages. Now, don't get me wrong, like I've said in the past, the little valve caps look a bit ugly. So if I were to take this to a show, I would pull up to the show, take the valve caps off, and put the metal work valve caps back on, so that, you know, for photos and all that sort of stuff, it looks right. But to drive it there, I know that I am gonna be able to see all of my tire pressures at real time. So I won't be driving along, get a flat, and then just keep driving on it, because if you've had coilovers, you know, it's hard to tell sometimes because the ride is so stiff on a lot of cars, even without coilovers. So be aware. Sometimes you can't feel that you got a flat and you've got a flat. So that's why I always have one of these in every single car. So thanks for your time today, guys. Like I said at the beginning of the video, please like, please subscribe, your comments, all that sort of stuff is super, super appreciated. There's Patreon if you want to support the channel. But we have the trip coming up. I keep saying it, we got the trip coming up. I can't wait to take you guys along and do some like real travel stuff with you guys. Something a bit more, I don't know, hands-on, a bit different, but it's gonna be awesome. I can't wait to do all that stuff with you guys. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the next one. See you guys.